What's up, mobile gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to enhance your gaming experience in your favorite games without the endless grind, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my weekly tips, tricks, and game hacks. Today, I'll walk you through a quick and easy method to grab unlimited diamonds in Bigo Live with Easy Hack Method. No computer, no sketchy apps, and no rooting or jailbreaking required. Works perfectly on both iOS and Android. Let's get into it. First step, make sure your Bigo Live is fully updated. Head into your App Store, search for the game, and if you see an update button, go ahead and tap it. Running the latest version helps everything work smoothly and avoids annoying errors. All set? Nice, let's move forward. Next, open your phone's browser, Chrome, Safari, whichever you like, and go to the site I've mentioned in this video. Search for Bigo Live Unlimited Diamonds Hack and select it once it appears. That'll take you directly to the tool we're going to use. Super straightforward. On the tool's main page, look for the Start Inject button. Tap it and the tool will start linking up with your account. It only takes a few seconds. Just let it sync in the background. Almost there. Before the resources can show up in your account, you must complete a short verification step. Usually this just means downloading a free app and keeping it open for a minute or so. Not sure how? The site includes a quick guide or even a video walkthrough to help you out. Once that's done, you're ready to roll. Now, fire up Bigo Live again and check your diamonds balance. If you did everything right, your resources should already be sitting there waiting for you. I tested it myself earlier and it worked flawlessly. And that's it. Fast, simple, and effective. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe with the bell so you're first to know when I drop the next guide. Got stuck on a step? Leave your question in the comments. I check them regularly and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, enjoy the boost, and I'll catch you in the next video.